So, you're about to jet off on a global adventure, pockets jingling with foreign cash. You've landed, the excitement is palpable, and you're ready to dive headfirst into a new culture. But hold on a second, a crucial question pops up. Does Commonwealth Bank actually accept foreign currency? It's a valid concern, right? After all, you don't want to be stuck with a wad of useless paper. Imagine this, you've just returned from a whirlwind trip to Europe, your suitcase bursting with souvenirs and memories. You're ready to relax, but then reality hits. You've got a pocket full of euros, pounds, and Swiss francs. Now, you're faced with the dilemma of figuring out what to do with them. This is where understanding Commonwealth Bank's stance on foreign currency becomes crucial. Let's break it down. First off, Commonwealth Bank, like many financial institutions, primarily deals in Australian dollars. That's their bread and butter. However, the world is a global village, and banks need to adapt. So, does CommBank accept foreign currency? Well, it depends. Let's talk about cash. While Commonwealth Bank might not accept foreign coins as payment for goods or services, they do offer services for exchanging foreign banknotes. You can typically exchange popular currencies like US dollars, euros, and British pounds at select branches. But here's the catch, not all branches handle foreign currency, so it's essential to check beforehand. Now, let's shift our focus to electronic transactions. This is where things get interesting. Commonwealth Bank offers a range of services for dealing with foreign currency in the digital age. You can send and receive money internationally in multiple currencies through their online banking platform. This means you can potentially receive funds from overseas directly into your Commonwealth Bank account without the hassle of currency exchange. But wait, there's more. Commonwealth Bank also provides foreign currency accounts. This is a fantastic option for frequent travelers or businesses that deal with multiple currencies. By having a foreign currency account, you can hold your money in various currencies without converting it to Australian dollars immediately. This can help you protect yourself against fluctuations in exchange rates. However, it's crucial to remember that exchange rates can vary, and banks often apply fees for currency conversion. It's always wise to shop around and compare rates before making a decision. So, to sum it up, while Commonwealth Bank might not be your go-to spot for spending foreign cash, they offer a variety of services to help you manage your foreign currency needs. Whether you're exchanging banknotes, sending or receiving international payments, or holding foreign currency in an account, Commonwealth Bank has options to suit your needs. But remember, the financial landscape is constantly evolving. It's always a good idea to check the Commonwealth Bank website or contact their customer support for the most up-to-date information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.